Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install cordless blinds. As you can see, I have two big windows in my garage, and sometimes it is difficult to control light coming from the windows when I record my videos in the garage. These blinds made by Project Source. They are 52 by 64 inches and they cost only $19. The only downside about these blinds that they cannot be cut to the size you want. Hardware provided for easy installation inside or outside the window frame. Install the mounting brackets. You have 3 brackets in the box for one blind. I am installing the brackets on the plastic that is covering space between the window and window frame. The plastic is very thick and can easily hold this blind. First I pre-drill holes and then attach mounting bracket using screws provided. When all 3 mounting brackets are attached, now I can start installing the blind. Raise or lower the mini blind by grasping the bottom rail and raising or lowering to the desired height. Install the wand by hooking the wand into the loop attached to the headrail of mini blind. Now I can control light coming from the windows in the garage. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.